Hey guys, Chaz here. Today I'm going to be looking back to 2012 at ASUS's collaboration with Google. That's right, the Nexus 7 2012, which launched on Android 4.1 Jelly Bean and received updates all the way to Android 5.1 Lollipop, is the device I'm going to be reviewing in today's video. So guys, the Nexus 7 can run Lollipop, so you must be thinking, why is he still on KitKat? Well, this is because the 2012 Nexus 7 is very slow on Android 5.1 and 5.0 Lollipop. I mean slow as in unusable, not a little bit of stutter here and there. So guys, I downgraded my Nexus 7 to KitKat after a horrible day of using it on Lollipop, and now it runs great. It does stutter sometimes, but it is usable. A lot of apps work, but some don't because of the old Android version, but it does suit my basic needs for a tablet that I got for £35. Since I got it for £35, I wasn't expecting super fast speeds or anything, but I must say this is still a great tablet. So first of all, let's look at performance. So the Nexus 7, as I said, runs badly on Android Lollipop but runs really good on KitKat. Many games still work, but there are some that don't run on this old processor in Android version, but basic gaming works fine on the Nexus 7. Next, there's multitasking. There may be a little bit of stutter switching from app to app. Usually when switching apps, the screen may flash black for a second, but there are methods to speed it up. Sometimes the app may randomly restart. This is because the Nexus 7 only has 1 GB of RAM and it needs to manage its memory well so it doesn't completely freeze up. Now on to the design. The Nexus 7 is a solid device with a good design, but it does feel quite cheap in 2020, and this kind of makes sense as a lot of 2012 Android phones and tablets were not made of glass or aluminium yet, and companies opted for rubber or plastic designs instead. For example, the Galaxy S3, released in 2012, the same year as the Nexus 7 2012, has a plastic body, unlike the iPhone 5, released in the same year, which opted for aluminium, but it still is good for watching movies on with the 7-inch screen and doesn't cost much, meaning if you have one lying on your shelf collecting dust and your kid desperately wants a tablet for basic needs, you may have just found a use for your Nexus 7, as it would still fulfill a lot of basic needs a kid may have for a tablet. And finally, custom ROM support. Yes, the Nexus 7 2012 does support custom ROMs. It doesn't have as good support as its 2013 version, which has slightly better specs and therefore slightly better ROM support, as the community want to work on it longer. But the Nexus 7 2012 does support custom ROMs, and I've tried a few, and they do run well. So if you really want to upgrade to a newer Android version on your Nexus 7, you can do so, and it actually runs better than Lollipop did, even if you're running a Marshmallow or Nougat ROM. However, I chose to stay on stock after testing some ROMs, as it just feels original on stock KitKat. However, I may do another review on a custom ROM in another video. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to be notified each time I upload. Anyways guys, have a good day. See you next time, and goodbye.